Our project was about social reconstructionism from the philosopher George S. Counts by Sophia Caldwell, Martina Sango, Jesse Stasio, Carly Regal, and Jolie Benezra. Key points of social reconstructionism. The imposition can be done in a conscious fashion with an eye toward improving the existing society. Society is in need of constant change. Benefits of using social reconstructionism. Promote scientific method, problem solving, naturalism, and humanism. Education from the Reconstructionist view is a tool for immediate and continuous change. Emphasizes the educational institution as an environment for implementing social change and challenging social inequalities. Focuses on student experience and taking social action on real problems such as violence, hunger, international terrorism, inflation, and inequality. Criticisms of social reconstructionism. Called idealists, romantics, utopians. People said that their ideas can never work in an actual practice. And here's our Kahoot link.